Welcome back to Studio 109. Today, I'm standing in front of this incredible building, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I recreated it from scratch using Grok AI. Now, the interesting part is I've never actually been here in person. So first, I searched for the building on Google to find a reference image. But as you know, many high-quality images online are being sold, and I didn't want to spend money buying one just for this project. So what I did was simple. I took a screenshot and gave it to Grok AI, asking it to create a new version of the image. That gave me a fresh reference I could use for my project without relying directly on the original image. Then I asked Grok AI to generate 10 earlier construction stages of the building, basically imagining how it might have looked from the foundation all the way to the finished version. Of course, these aren't the real historical construction photos, but that's okay, because my goal was to create a realistic-looking transformation sequence. Once the images were ready, I started generating the video. For every transformation, I uploaded 2 images, one current stage and one next stage. Then I asked Grok AI to smoothly transform one into the other. One of the best features of Grok AI is the flexibility it gives when working with multiple reference images. I can upload 5 reference images and clearly tell Grok exactly how I want the transformation to work. For example, I can say, start from image 1, and by the time the video ends, make the final frame match image 2. That makes the whole transformation process much easier, faster, and way more accurate. I also added simple instructions like workers using heavy equipment, smooth, seamless transformation, time-lapse, day and night progression. And honestly, that's all it took. Forget the AI gurus. Forget the prompt nonsense. You don't need any of that. Just look at the result you want and reverse engineer it. I generated each video clip one by one, then imported everything into CapCut, arranged the clips, and edited the full sequence. And just look at the final result. It turned out amazing. I even made the thumbnail using Grok AI, which saved me even more time. So yeah, AI really helps speed up the whole process. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Studio 109, and I'll see you in the next one.